Hello, here we are. You are sit with me by this little silent brook. In the afternoon sunshine, March the 1st. And as always, as I sit or walk or ramble or ponder in nature, just like this bubbling brook, something makes its way up and out and through this body mind in the form of words. So I share the nature with you, and what nature wants to share through words with you. Sometimes no words are sharing with you. What you see with your eyes or what you hear with your ears, which are just vibrations or frequencies, we all are. Everything. It's our real nature reflecting back. It's the same, but different. Same, but different. And it's all appearing in this moment, in this one infinite moment, not moment after moment after moment after moment, just the one infinite moment. And it seems strange that there needs to be a reminder of that. Because of where the attention goes. This body mind that speaks is susceptible to that. Is susceptible to that distraction. And also appreciates the reminder, as there's only one of us here. What is said for one is said for all, because one and all is the same. With meditation and sitting with, in a formal sitting with meditation, which has been necessary because of the busyness, in that space, in that sitting, what is appearing can be made obvious, as there are no distractions. But then what becomes obvious is thoughts, the thoughts that buzz through the mind, chatting, judging, describing, criticizing, many, many, many ways that thought can be perceived and expressed. And when it's just watched, observed, witnessed, what is observing? What is witnessing? The appearance. What is hearing that dog bark? And if there are thoughts about the dog barking, what is aware of those thoughts about the dog barking? This is the real nature, the real self, the original. Prior to all and all. The water flows, as does the thoughts. What is sitting at the edge of the stream, watching those thoughts? And they are all equal. no different to the dog barking, the bird singing. And yet, some thoughts seem different, sticky. Me. They feel like me. I am a bad person. I am unworthy. I am lost. I am confused. I am scared. I am frightened. Whatever the word or the thought after gives the illusion that there is an entity there. The I am hooked onto the word or the thought. Where is that person? Yes, there's a body, and yes, there are thoughts. But the person that they seem to pertain to, where is the person? The one who is frightened, the one who is lost, the one who is confused, unworthy. When those thoughts are not given attention, credence, energy, legitimacy, they become like the river, the brook, the water. They flow. Easy said. But possible. Really, really not even possible. True.
Hello.
Hi. A runner just goes past. You say hi, he says hello. Gone. Everything comes and goes within, from and of the awareness, that which you truly are, the one that sits and watches. Be that which you are. I leave this with you until the next time.